Hello guys, once again we meet again and today I'm gonna unboxing a new type of hermit crab. I just bought it after the afternoon from shop Nghĩa Nhi, and I just want to say that I glad that have I have bought these two of these hermit crab, and today I'm gonna show you. Say hello to Nataski Chan and his Ravi. Look at him. Damn! Ui. Sorry. I think this is a female. Yes, let me check again. Yes, this is the female, and I'm gonna put it in water. This one is rural, and the color is beautiful. The sky is dark, but when I look at this hermit crab, I think my sunshine is rising again. It's not coming out, so I will put it in the water. Let's see if it's coming out again. I don't know the type of this hermit crab, and wow, look at it, it's so fucking beautiful. Yeah. Ew. Okay, so I'm gonna put it in the water. Okay. That's all. So is that I just want to say that I just want to say thank you to shop Nghĩa Nhi for keeping these two hermit crab for me, and I just want, if I were you guys, I would recommend you guys to come and buy a hermit crab from her shop. Well, her shop has a lot of hermit crab and ton of them. Okay, so we'll put it in this. Okay, tiger. Yeah, this guy over here coming out. Nataski. Wow, is it beautiful? Okay, so put it down here. Hey, the camera is here. So thank you for watching, and I just create a YouTube channel, and if you are interested in the hermit crab, you can come and watch my video from my YouTube channel, and maybe you can subscribe and give me a thumb up or something. Well, thank you. That's all.